Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Lemon Squeezy to US bank account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Lemon Squeezy to your US bank account, start by logging into your Lemon Squeezy account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Payouts section on the side menu. Click on Payouts to view your available balance. If you have sufficient balance, proceed to the next step. Now, locate the Withdraw button. Click on Withdraw to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to choose your withdrawal method. Select Bank Transfer as your preferred withdrawal method. Next, enter your bank account details. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. After entering your details, confirm your selection. You may also be required to verify your identity. Follow any additional verification steps as prompted. Once verified, review the withdrawal amount. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. After confirming the amount, click on Proceed. You should receive a confirmation message regarding your withdrawal request. Note the estimated processing time for your withdrawal. Typically, it can take a few business days for the funds to arrive. Check your email for any notifications from Lemon Squeezy regarding your payout. If you do not see the funds after the estimated time, reach out to customer support. You are now aware of how to withdraw from Lemon Squeezy to your US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.